is it fun to bowl against Ruturaj in Adani MPL?
Obviously, always it's a challenge to bowl against him because like you cannot bowl a bad ball at all.
He will punish.
Yeah.
And
So-
with the most chill face. Like he won't
Yeah,
even stretch or
yeah,
something.
yeah,
He'll just...
like कहते हैं ना कि प्यार से मार देगा तो वैसा वाला चीज है वो. Like every fast bowler they start with batting only. Like most of them, you ask any fast bowler, they'll tell you that they were a proper batsman and then they got into fast bowling.
वेलकम टू अदानी प्रेजेंस बोल्ड ओवर ब्रेकफास्ट. बचपन से हम लोग एक बैटिंग डोमिनेटेड क्रिकेट देखते जा रहे हैं और इस बैटिंग डोमिनेटेड क्रिकेट में देयर इज अ जनरेशन ऑफ बॉलर्स हु आर अगेंस्ट ऑल ऑड्स प्रूविंग कि भाई हम लोग भी गेम जिताते हैं. वन ऑफ हिम इज एक्चुअली इन फ्रंट ऑफ मी राइट नाउ. राजवर्धन हंगारकर, वेलकम ऑन द शो.
Thank you so much.
Bro, it's an actual fan moment for me because trust me, जब ये ऑक्शन चल रहा था ना 2-3 years back as well, तभी बिनाय शाह, a friend of yours, we were hyping you so much कि भाई मुंबई इंडियंस प्लीज खरीद लो, we want a pace battery like him. But it's great to have you here on the show and even a part of Adani MPL. Bro, right now you're eating, have you requested this?
Yeah, I asked them to give me some fruits. on the
Specific
pitch,
healthy
yeah.
food. Is it because the coach शायद से देखता रहेगा?
नहीं, it's just me who cares about.
You're
my
really
diet.
very health conscious?
Yeah, I am.
Cool यार. And has this been over the years या फिर अभी recently?
No, it's a transition which happened like 4-5 years ago.
हाँ.
Like before that, though, I was a normal, every normal
मेरे
boy
जैसा,
who
noodles
likes
वूडल्स खा
to
रहा है.
eat meetha and everything.
हाँ,
Like there was nothing which I used to like left out, and I used to eat everything which I used to see. But like आप सबको पता है कि when you start playing professionally, तो you start taking care of yourself.
So was this the CSK era जब भी
नहीं,
आपको chance
before
मिला
that,
तभी?
before that, during my under 19 days.
Oh nice. Oh yeah, the World Cup.
Yes.
Actually मैं आपका तभी फैन बन गया था. तो जो पेस की डिलीवरीज थे पूरा खा गए थे, अब मजा आ गया था.
Yes.
I can't wait to see you in the whites. अब टेस्ट के फैन हो या लिमिटेड ओवर्स के?
I would say test.
Okay.
Because I can express more about myself because I've got more overs to bowl.
Right.
And yeah, it basically allows you to like bowl.
हाँ. Longer hours.
Yeah.
अगर
And
मिस-
I'm more of a hardworking person.
Okay.
So I like to like go out there, bowl long spells and like.
मुझे तो
Yeah.
एक रीसेंट मैच में काफी बुरा भी लगा था. आपने इतना बढ़िया बॉल डाला था, इन स्विंगर था शायद से, एंड इट वाज सो ब्यूटीफुल टू वॉच ऑन टीवी.
Yeah.
सामने भी मैच चल रहे, बैटर ने मिस किया और इतना अच्छा सीम हुआ था कि कीपर ने भी मिस किया, एंड इट वेंट फॉर अ 4 ऑफ कोर्स व्हिच वाज सैड. बट आपका जो रिएक्शन था ना कि ठीक है अभी क्या ही कर सकते
क्या ही कर सकते हैं,
बिकॉज
exactly.
दिस गेम इज जस्ट पनिशिंग टुवर्ड्स बॉलर्स. इज दैट ट्रू?
100%. Like nowadays, especially in T20 format,
हाँ.
like the pitches are getting flatter, the boundaries are getting smaller, and then there's dew
Oh yes.
at times. Like everything is
Against you guys.
against bowlers. Like
In a way, हाँ.
yeah, and like so as a bowler, all you can do is go out there, give your best effort, and hope for the best. Like that's what you can do. Like
Yeah.
and sometimes, as you said, ki I bowled a ball,
Yeah.
batsman missed it, keeper missed it, and I could not do anything
Much
more.
about it.
Yeah.
Correct. मतलब there are a few uncontrollables. Like
Exactly.
Dhoni also tells a lot of times कि भाई कुछ चीजें जो कर ही नहीं सकते हम लोग.
Yes.
But one thing which I feel is कि how do you approach it? Do you feel कि भाई अगर एक अच्छा ओवर नहीं गया in a T20 game जहाँ comeback का काफी कम scope है, do you still focus on your let's say strengths or would you change a few things here and there कि strategy बदल देते?
See, obviously, as you said, कि अगर पहले ओवर में things are not going
Right.
on your way, so basically you always start with your strengths.
Correct.
If it doesn't work, then you have to shift to
बराबर.
something else,
हाँ.
which is your strength, but it is not with what you
you're
started.
doing right now.
Yeah.
हाँ.
So you have to like adapt
Right.
immediately in this game. Like if you don't like at times you start with the hard length bowling. If it doesn't work, you have to shift towards the Yorkers. So this game is all about adapting and like improvising.
हाँ. कभी
And it has to be on spot. You
Right.
cannot go back to the pavilion like a test game and think about it with the team and
अगले
then come
session
back
में
again.
ऐसे करूँगा,
ऐसा
हाँ.
नहीं है ना. You
Correct.
have to be on the spot.
Do you कभी सोचते हो because you are living the dream of us?
Yeah.
सारे इंडिया के बच्चे और जहाँ से भी ये जो क्रिकेट के फैंस है, we all dream जब गली में खेलते हैं एक दिन वानखेड़े पे या चिदम्बरम में चपॉक में खेलेंगे, and you are actually doing that. So when was the like where did its story begin? पहला बॉल या पहले बैट
Yes.
कभी गए?
So I still remember कि during the summer days. So पहले कैसे होता था कि in my childhood I used to go normally like everyone, like every child, to school, and then whenever you used to get vacations.
हाँ.
That was the only time you could go out and play. Like
बराबर.
normally नहीं तो school जाके आ जाते वापस and
Late
you have to
होता
study
था.
और कुछ ऐसा ही चलता
Tuitions
था.
रहते थे, हाँ.
हाँ कुछ तो चलता था.
Yeah.
तो during vacations I was at my mother's hometown where like
Which
all
is?
my it's called Manegaon. It's
Okay.
small town.
Mm-hmm.
So where all my cousins and my mom's brother and their kids, everyone used to come together during vacations. So it was a very good time, and like my mom's brothers,
Yeah.
they love cricket. Like it
Okay.
all started because of them. Like honestly,
Okay.
and it was in our family basically.
हाँ,
So
100%,
and then
yeah.
like we used to come together, and somehow I was a athletic person since childhood. Like anything, any sport you throw at me, I
You
would
do it. You had a knack
love
for
it. Yeah.
हाँ.
So I was playing with them and I was playing well. So they were like, okay, you should join a club and you should try.
Okay.
Like you should play cricket
हाँ.
because they really loved cricket, but because of some reasons they couldn't like go forward with it. So they were like, okay, Raj, you should play cricket. You should join a club. And they insisted me to join a club. They told my mother कि उसको वापस जाके तुम club में डाल दो. He'll learn cricket there and let's see what happens.
Right.
So I started going there and I started enjoying everything. Like, anyways, I wanted to somehow dodge my studies, so that was the very good reason for me to like just start playing
But
cricket.
तभी से bowler.
Yes.
Or did you start off with the batting? Yeah.
For earlier, I was a
Batter.
proper batsman.
Oh, God.
Like every fast bowler, they start with batting only. Like most of them, you ask any fast bowler, they'll tell you that they were a proper batsman and then they got into fast bowling. So that was the same story with me as well.
तो transition कब हुआ ये?
वो under 14 में हुआ.
Because of?
Because
you
of
just
no, I was a batsman and then like I've told this earlier कि our team needed a fast bowler and then no one was actually there. Like our whole side was only having one fast bowler who somehow for some reason he was ill or something. Something was wrong with him and then I was like, okay, let me try.
Right.
And अपना तो क्या like I just need a role to play. तो
मौका मिलता
है like I used to see fast bowlers taking a nice long run up. Took a nice long run up and from there it
started bowling.
Went on.
And वहाँ से अब तक डंडे उठते ही जा रहे सामने वाले
Since then I've been running and bowling. That's all. That's all I've been doing.
In fact, it's even a good thing because now you're a bowler who can bat. क्योंकि ये situation आती है.
Yes.
And तभी I always prefer to have चलो bowling skill थोड़ा सा 1% down भी चलेगा. But I need to have a player who can bat and hit those sixes. So you hit long sixes.
Definitely. Yeah,
I've seen that of you, but yeah.
Yeah, like I'm confident. Like whenever I go to bat, I know that I can hit the ball a long way.
Yeah.
So I have that strength. It's always been my strength to like hit good long hits. So as a batsman, I never think I lack as a batsman. It's just that though my number has gone down, I'm still confident enough that I can win games for my team, and I've done that earlier. Like
आणि जेव्हा तुम्ही बॅटिंग करायचा सुरुवातीला तेव्हा तुमचं पोझिशन काय असायचं ओपनर मिडल
obviously opener. I was an opener.
Oh God, opening batter से opening bowler की journey है. Wow.
So basically, वैसे देखे तो I got demoted from my position, but yeah, it still works. I'm playing the game and I'm happy.
Yeah. And bro, from a point जहाँ पर you held the ball for the first time, held the bat for the first time बचपन में, and वहाँ से getting a chance in an IPL team, like emotionally काफी ये feeling नहीं था कि भाई
yeah, like honestly as a individual, like everyone has a dream to like, क्योंकि उसके पहले तो all I knew was I was seeing IPL on TV.
Yeah.
But then fortunately I had a good under-19 World Cup. And then after that also I was like, okay, it's going to be again a long process to get into IPL because like honestly I was not expecting. I was like, okay, if any team picks me up, wow, that's great.
Yeah.
Like I can like get the opportunity to learn because उसके पहले hardly I played बहुत सारा cricket, T20 cricket I did not play a lot. So I was like, okay, चलो किसी ने ले लिया तो honestly I was not even watching the auction like क्योंकि it's a huge tournament यार like तो no expectations.
Scouts खतरनाक है IPL के because
I give them all the credit to the scouts.
Yeah.
And then when the bid started, I was like, okay, and उसमें CSK and MI were bidding for me.
Right.
So you cannot have a bigger moment than this. Like, बचपन से I was seeing all those teams like, and they were the two teams who were constantly playing in finals.
Correct.
तो उससे अच्छा और क्या हो सकता है आपके? उसमें fortunately I got into CSK. Like any side I would have gotten, it would have been great only. Like. But then I got in CSK and it was a beautiful time. And in that period, we guys actually won a title. So I saw that with my own eyes, how it feels to win a title. And I was part of that. Luckily, I played 2 matches. We won one game out of that, and yeah, like
Crazy story.
being able to contribute for that victory, you're happy for the team.
उस दिन मतलब I remember this was just the phase जब मलिंगा से हम लोग थोड़ा transition हो रहे थे and तभी auction में it was a great opportunity for us and we were like please ले लो but we are still happy because Binash and we always talk कि राज को we have to see him in blues because team India को जरूरत है उस kind of pace की and you bring that on board but the fact कि MPL अदानी MPL जैसे जो tournaments में आपको chances मिलते हैं and opportunity to express yourself चलो आपको तो बहुत limelight already मिल चुकी है but so many players were getting limelight because of tournaments like this जो Jio Hotstar पे जा रहे हैं Star Sports 2 पे जा रहे हैं so it's a great platform right
Yeah, and like as a player from Maharashtra, I'm very thankful to MCA, Rohit Dada Pawar, and everyone who has been who brought up this plan and like they brought it in real, like they made it happen.
Correct.
It's a great thing, like because of, like nowadays we can see that lot of players are getting picked from franchise cricket.
बराबर
And like all these players, I know I've been through that thing where they go out there, they play cricket throughout the year in domestic matches and then they play in invitation games. They do well, but then there's no opportunity.
नहीं मिल रहा चांस ही नहीं
हाँ, क्योंकि in a state team, even in a state camp, there can be hardly 30 players. बाकी के 100 players they get left out, na? And everyone is performing.
Correct.
If you go through the score sheets, like literally there are like 200 players performing in a year. तो उनके लिए there was no opportunity, na? Now that there is MPL, all of a sudden we have so much big pool of players.
And bro, I'll tell you, मैं जब भी boxes में अभी ऊपर से matches देखता हूँ, there are so many scouts from different IPL teams जो सिर्फ महाराष्ट्र प्रीमियर लीग देखने आ रहे हैं क्योंकि उन्हें पता है जो टैलेंट आते हैं यहाँ से. In fact, you're part of CSK जहाँ पर बहुत सारे महाराष्ट्र के players थे.
Yes.
You, Tushar, Ruturaj, so many. Mukesh, हाँ, Mukesh Chaudhary. So it's a good feeling कि यार अपने ही दोस्त लोग साथ में आगे build हो रहे हैं.
Yes, because like when you have players जिनके साथ आप खेल रहे हो and they are in the same franchise team, so you are a bit more comfortable. Like it's easy for you to like, and then it was a good time. Like and seeing your mates being with you and doing well is always a good moment.
Is it fun to bowl against Ruturaj in Adani MPL?
Obviously, always it's a challenge to bowl against him because like you cannot bowl a bad ball at all.
He will punish. And
So-
with the most chill face, like he won't even stretch or something. He'll just
like कहते हैं ना कि प्यार से मार देगा तो वैसा वाला चीज है वो कि it's always a challenge. Like even if right now if I go into that zone कि okay now I have to bowl to Ruturaj, I cannot miss. That's the challenge.
Has to be on point.
Yeah. Anything if you bowl a bad ball, he'll let you know that you bowled a bad ball and he'll punish you.
But before you go, if you had to pick up one moment from your life where you were against all odds and you just said कि नहीं हम करके दिखाते हैं, वो moment कौन सा होगा?
Okay, as a team or as an individual?
As an individual.
As an individual, I would say कि like during COVID when my father passed away, like literally everything was like okay Raj. Though I was playing decently in my cricketing career and I was doing well, but still I had that thought ki what do I do now? Ki there was this question mark in front of me ki like everything was against me, like
correct. Mushkil situation.
There was COVID going on. I was in my hometown, like I couldn't do anything.
Cricket bhi
and
nahi ho raha hai.
There were rumors that under 19 season is going to happen, like the state team ka season, and then after that World Cup was going to happen. But I could not see anything happening around me which will help me play cricket.
Correct.
And then still I was like okay, irrespective of whatever is happening around me, I'm going to go out there, I'm gonna do everything possible to make sure I do my practice, I do my fitness.
Right.
And like after 1 week that incident happened, I was like okay, let's get back to work. Irrespective of whatever every odd I'm going happening to against me, I'll just go out there and
express yourself and just do it.
And it worked.
Definitely.
And since then I'm a hardcore believer कि irrespective of what is happening around you, you just be in the process, you do your work and expect things to happen. That's all.
That's so much to learn from these cricketers. यार मतलब मैं emotional हो गया थे stories सुन के, and I'm sure wherever your dad is, he's watching, he's proud of your performance.
Definitely.
And हम लोग as fans जो cricket देखते हैं, जो bowlers, we want bowler dominated cricket, and you guys are doing it. So wish you all the luck for the rest of the league.
Thank you so much for having me here.
Thank you so much.
Always a pleasure.
Thank you.